Three priests walk into a tavern, and no, that is not the beginning of a joke. A local farmer set upon them and ate them down to their collars. I have the pictures. The government came up with all sorts of excuses. Bad vodka, poisonous flowers, Jews.
What about Serbia?
What?
Didn't your research also uncover a book about an event in Serbia? Or not? I don't know.
16th century Polska. You've done your homework.
Yeah, big fan. I'm Joel.
No, you guys called me a billion times.
May I see the book, please?
I don't know you, and I don't take it out in public. But I do keep a digitized version of it along with 10 gigs of paranormal classified documents right here in this thumb drive. This is the truth, my friends. Look at it. Now stop looking at it. I'm just kidding. You can look at it. No, don't. Too many people want this, and I don't want your lives to be in the same danger as mine.